In this video, I will show you how to add subscribe animation to your video in Capcut. After you open the Capcut, now here is my video. If you want to add the subscribe animation to video on Capcut, go to this library. Under the media section, go to library. So after you go to this library, scroll to down and go to green screen. So under this green screen, scroll to down, you'll be able to see this one, animation, subscribe animation. So drag it to your timeline like this. So after you add it to your timeline, go ahead now and cut where you don't want to be. So my video is small, that's why you just saw me the subscribe animation has become like even bigger than my video because the clip is small. After you just add the subscribe animation like this, so you can just go ahead now and click on this remove background and go to chroma key. So after you check on the chroma key, just go ahead now and select the green. After you select the green like this, it will remove background for you automatic. So now if you play, now here is the subscribe animation for your video. If you want, you can change the size. If you click on the subscribe animation, go to this video basic. So here you can change the size of the subscribe animation like this. So if you want to change the size, and you can just go ahead and position it in where you want it to be in your video, and that's it. Be sure to like and subscribe if this video helps you out.